Introducing how to use the Smeg ECF12 bundle pack, bringing together the ECF00 Espresso coffee machine and the mini milk frother for a complete barista-style experience at home. Start by switching on the coffee machine using the on-off button. The control keys will begin to flash. This indicates that the machine is heating up. Once the 3 LEDs stop flashing and remain steadily lit, the machine has reached the correct temperature and is ready to use. Before first use, or if the machine hasn't been used for a while, it's important to rinse the system. Attach the portafilter with one of the included filters. The 3 options include a single espresso filter, a double espresso filter, or the paper pod filter. Place a container under the coffee dispensing nozzles and press the coffee button to run water through the system. Repeat the process 5 times to fully prepare the machine. To make a coffee using ground coffee, start by inserting the correct filter, either single or double, depending on your preference. Add your ground coffee, distributing it evenly, then tamping it down using the tamping scoop. Make sure to remove any excess coffee from the edge of the portafilter for a clean seal. Now insert the portafilter into the group head and turn it to the right until it firmly locks into place. Position your cup underneath the spout, then press the button for your chosen function. The machine will automatically stop once your coffee is ready. If you prefer paper coffee pods, simply insert the paper pod into the filter. Place the portafilter into the group head, position your cup underneath and press your desired coffee function. It's a quick and convenient way to enjoy great coffee. You can easily customize the length of your coffee to suit your taste. Place a cup under the dispenser, then press and hold either the single or double espresso button for at least 3 seconds until the LED remains steadily lit. When your desired amount of coffee has been dispensed, press the button again to stop the flow. Your preferred coffee length is now saved for future use. To access the settings menu, ensure the machine is switched on and ready. Press and hold the plus button until all the buttons begin to flash. This means you've entered the programming mode. Once entered into the settings menu, select the single espresso button to amend the temperature. The buttons will now flash to indicate the current temperature selection. The single espresso button is low, the plus button is medium, and the double espresso button is high temperature. Press the corresponding button. The lights will flash to confirm your selection. You can also use this menu to adjust the water hardness and set the automatic shut-off times depending on your preferences. To complete your drink, the mini milk frother makes it easy to create perfectly textured milk. Remove the lid and insert the whisk into the base of the jug. Pour in your milk, making sure to stay within the indicated levels. Replace the lid, then press the button to scroll through the 3 functions: hot foam, hot milk, or cold foam. Once selected, wait 3 seconds and the frother will begin automatically. When the cycle is complete, the LED light will switch off, leaving you with smooth, perfectly prepared milk. Pour your frothed milk over your espresso to create anything from an iced latte to a cappuccino, all from the comfort of your own home. After use, the lid and the whisk can be placed in the dishwasher, while the jug should be washed with warm soapy water. Ensure all parts are fully dry before reassembling. With simple controls, customizable settings and versatile milk preparation, the Smeg ECF12 bundle pack makes it easy to enjoy cafe quality coffee every day. If you found this useful, please like and subscribe.